Welcome to CRS79 Residence, a dialogue between architecture and forest, located on the edge of a historic manor park in Riga, Latvia. Designed by OAD Open Architecture Design, this house appears as both discreet and bold, almost hidden from the street yet expressive toward the water and nature beyond. The composition transitions. Initially a grounded volume, it evolves into a more geometric set of forms. The master bedroom appears to hover above the terrain, an elevated volume levitating over the land. Thus, the façade is read as layers of shifts, of compression and expansion, of stealth and openness. The design teases the observer, alternating between retreat and disclosure. The architects utilize a mix of concrete, steel, and glass to realize the structural and expressive ambitions of the project. Concrete forms the primary load-bearing base and structural core. Steel provides support for cantilevers and frame articulation. Glass is used generously to dissolve boundaries and frame views. The residence is organized in two main levels. In the lower level, the public and shared areas, living, dining, kitchen, engage directly with the site, opening to terraces and views. The plan is designed to flow with sequence and transparency guiding movement. Natural light is a key protagonist. On the water side, large glass panels reflect and capture the surrounding landscape, allowing views to permeate deep into the interior. Skylights are used strategically to bring low winter sun into core spaces. In summer, overhangs and shading mitigate heat gain. The material palette is elegant, restrained, and contextually responsive. Key materials are concrete, corten or weathering steel, glass, and wood. Because the palette is minimal, each material carries visual weight. Joints, edges, and transitions become moments of craft. Inside, the decor is minimal and intentional. The finishes and surfaces set a quiet stage. Furnishings are selected to enhance clarity and calm. Every interior detail is oriented toward landscape. The art pieces, the sightlines, the framed views, all reinforce the harmony between inside and outside. The site is part of the narrative. Nestled within a historic manor park, the landscape is inseparable from the architecture. The landscaping is disciplined, not ornamental. It frames, filters, and softens. Trees, grasses, and planting palettes mediate between architecture and nature. In CRS79 Residence, architecture becomes a whisper in the forest, a careful gesture of suspension, transparency, and restraint. It hides then reveals, grounds then lifts. It frames the landscape without competing.